The story begins in 1830 in the Swiss Jura, when Louis Victor and Célestin Baume opened one of the first watch dealerships. Today, Baume & Mercier is one of the oldest Swiss watchmaking houses. Each day in the design studio, we create elegant and timeless watches that will celebrate life's finest moments. I'm thinking in particular of the Clifton, inspired by a model from the 1950s. We've reinterpreted its aesthetic and technical codes to create a contemporary take on tradition. This creativity is backed by a well-structured development process based on close collaboration between our designers and engineers, resulting in watches combining reliability and durability. Day after day, we remain true to our motto of excellence inherited from our founding fathers: accept only perfection, only manufacture watches of the highest quality.
Baume &
Mercier perpetuates an organizational model that has proven its efficiency and its high standards of excellence. This modernized historical concept known as établissage is exercised through our maîtrise d'œuvre and enables us to guarantee impeccable quality at each stage in the production of our watches. The key to this historical expertise lies in this mastery of the chain of competencies. Imagine the developments of a collection like scaling a peak. We constantly raise the technical and aesthetic limits of our watch creations in order to achieve affordable luxury, our deeply cherished corporate mission. In 2014, to celebrate the first anniversary of the Clifton launch, we've created an exceptional watch. We drew inspiration from one of our most exceptional historical models, the 1892 Tourbillon pocket watch that made an indelible imprint on watchmaking history with its record-breaking precision. We've reinterpreted it to create an outstanding model featuring refined finishes, another way for our house to reinvent its watchmaking heritage. This new Clifton benefits from the expertise of special partners, enabling us to achieve impeccable quality. The Clifton 1892 Flying Tourbillon is an excellent demonstration of this historical expertise and subtly embodies Baume & Mercier's glorious past. And that's how, day after day, we remain loyal to the quest for perfection, undertaken 184 years ago by our founding fathers.